Hi and welcome. I'm here with another unboxing video from the House of Sillage. This is another lipstick case. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to wait until I could actually film it. So here we go. This is the holiday set. Oh, hold on, what do I do? There we go. Okay. And I got the red lipstick case. So we have the case here, and this is the box for the case. And then the actual case is, oh, isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh. I have quickly fallen in love with this brand and the lipsticks. And it also, this holiday set also includes 2 lipstick refills. One is in the shade Queen, which has been on my list to get. I know this is, oh, look at that. Wait, where is it? Okay. Look how pretty. You may not be able to see it too well. Oops, okay. Well, it's a gorgeous color based on what I've seen in swatches, so I'm excited to have that color. And the next color is Barren. Now, this color, for my skin tone, I'm not sure how it will work. I have a friend, she swatched it, so we'll have to see. But the reason, okay, I have so many of their lipstick cases on my list to get, and red is one of the colors that I wanted, but I specifically wanted to get the holiday set, not only because it comes with 2 lipstick refills, but also because when you get the holiday set, the hard case is red. If you were to buy the red bow lipstick case individually by itself, it will come with a white case. So I specifically wanted the red box to go with the red case. So, oh, also, I also got, let me move this. Oh, well, okay, well, let me show this first. So this is a discovery set of their signature perfume collection. I'm so excited about this too. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. And I would consider myself a fragrance, I say novice. I wouldn't say complete noob, because I know some things about fragrance, but not a lot. So I am really looking forward to trying out and sampling these fragrances. I'm really happy that they have a set like this that you can use to explore. And what's up here basically is the first case I got, which I've already done an unboxing for. And it's the beautiful, beautiful pink Whispers of Admiration case, which I'll just show real quickly again. Look how pretty. Okay, and believe it or not, like I said, when I tend to like something, I tend to get a little obsessive with it. I have another lipstick case coming on the way. And and I will do another unboxing of that one, and that one is really special, and I will explain why when I open it. But that's it, and thank you.